the tram. So basically, you guys love the HK bus video, so I thought I'll make a HK tram with you guys. Okay. So this is a tram. It's like my first time in a lot of years that I rode a tram. So let me show you the view. I'm going to show you a tour. So I'm in the top level, so it's going to be really hot. I'm trying to close this window. I made it work just now.
No, we also did this stupid thing where like took the middle of the elevator.
Hey, dream. That's what it's called. Sure. Look at that view.
So we actually started when we were
Tours.
hotel. That's exactly where the tram station is. I was like, oh, that's the Murray thing.
Hello.
Architect or really.
Up.
Baby,
say hi. Hi. Hello. Look at there. Look at there.
So he was like, oh, actually, it's not called a tram. It's called the elevator. And we were like, okay, let's cross Central. And then we got up the elevator, and I was like, oh, when do we get to the tram part? Oh my god. And then because the thing, once you get up there, there's a sign that points you like this way to the peak tram. So we're like, oh, we must be close. So we follow that tram sign. And then you keep other signs that point you to the tram. Back to where we were. And we're
So,
like, oh, they have signs pointing
I'm sorry of those English words. Don't get mixed up. I'm the cute police.
all around.
So,
Park as well, like because it was so residential. And then at one point where we have to walk.
so there's like a bunch of like different people here, and yes, I think I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
No
Okay.
residences. And it was like there was like thick forested areas.
So here is my theory. And look at this. Pretty. I'm gonna send this to Aries.
Mid-level.
So,
Mid-level has some really nice apartments, but
Really nice. People are moving out like crazy though.
Really?
Why? Because everyone's leaving. And so there's these apartments there. It used to be the most expensive
many
district.
people.
Yeah.
So like, and there's like,
how much is that?
sorry about that. So yeah, there's like a bunch of people here.
Everything I say is just gonna sound ridiculous to you.
Oh no, we live in New York. Our rent's also ridiculous.
Okay, so I'm really cheap right now. I'm paying $17,000 for
So,
350
I hope I'm
Wow, that's
filming
small,
myself.
okay.
plus 350 square feet outside.
That's not okay. So the extra 350 square feet is good.
So,
Yeah, but
1,700.
I really want to dye my hair. So, yeah. Look at this tram. So I'm going to show you some tram things. So, like, I have no idea what it is.
That's very cheap.
I haven't really tried them on.
$17,000
And basically, so,
$3,500.
it's an octopus watch. And basically, like, normally you're going to get on, like, some vehicle and then you put your, like, octopus first. Oh my god. And then, I hope I'm filming myself. And then you can, like,
So this is the part that
I
gets
don't
us
know.
500 square feet.
and then, and then you just put it and then you can get a seat, and when you leave, you don't need to do it again. But for tram, you have to get on from the back, and then when you leave, you go from the to the front and with your octopus. So weird, right? I know. It's gonna be like a lot. There's like a bunch of. It's like a bunch of.
That's very nice.
And there were
My
like
dad,
some
like,
from
bought it at our house.
like
It's only like 2,000 square feet.
UK, US, Texas. I don't even know if there's any Texas, but yeah. So bye guys.
These conceptions of like